In this video, I will show you how to make an Instagram Threads account. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, there's actually two ways to create an account on Threads, and the first way I'm going to show you is to go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you're on Instagram, what you want to do is come across to your profile by clicking onto your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. So from here, what you're going to want to do is click onto the three lines in the top right hand corner, and you should see an option for Threads on there. So what you can do is press onto Threads. And it's going to bring up a screen that looks like this. Now, if you look underneath, it's going to say Get Threads. So what you can do is click onto that. And what that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this. Now, if you don't see the Threads option on your menu, if you just come across to the Play Store on Android, or if you're on an iPhone, come across to the App Store, go ahead and search for Threads from Instagram, and you can download the app directly from the store. So once you're here, what you want to do is log in with Instagram. If this is not the account you want to set up a Threads account for, then just go onto the Switch Accounts button underneath, and you'll be able to choose your account from here. So once you've got your correct account, click onto the Login with Instagram button, and that's going to go ahead and set everything up for you. So what you can do first is go ahead and create your profile. So you can add a bio and a link, and also a profile picture. What you can also do is click the Import from Instagram button down here, and that's going to import your profile information from Instagram. When that's done, go ahead and click Continue, and choose whether you want to have a public profile or a private profile, and then click Continue. Now what you can do is choose to follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram, so you can go through and follow these individually, or you can click the Follow All button underneath. If you don't want to do this, then just click the arrow in the top right hand corner to skip this for now. What's going to happen next is going to give you a brief overview of how Threads work. So you can have a quick read through of this, and once you've done that, click the Join Threads button at the bottom. So once that's done, it's just going to take a minute or two to get everything ready for you. You can see it's loading through now. And as you can see, we are now here on Threads and our account has been created. So that's how to go ahead and make an Instagram Threads account. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.